starts to chisel her way out. It seems an impossible squeeze, so easy to get stuck. Freedom. 'Tis little Hornbill is hungry and keen to go grab breakfast. 20 mongoose and 1 hornbill might seem an odd team. But when you are small, it pays to stick together. The mongoose flush out prey, while the hornbill keeps at lookout for danger.
Even in the dry season, they're packed.
They may be Africa's smallest carnivore, but they are not afraid to take on big game. A venomous baboon spider.